My dear Prince of Peace Parish family, this morning I had a hard time to pray since reading the morning news that unemployment filing is almost above 26 million people. I know your utility bills, grocery bills are skyrocketing while many of you have lost jobs. I wondered what was Yahweh teaching Israelites through many exiles and this long 40 years of Exodus, which could have been done in 40 days. What was God trying to tell them? We know now that Joseph and Mary, the Holy Family, had the same way of trying times. And every covenant in Bible is a big memory data bank. And so we know we are a people of recalling and remembering. The last Passover, Jesus made the new covenant and said, "Do this in memory of me." So it's all about the memory we create, the memory we go and revisit. The Holy Family had a hard time to do everyday things, but they did that such a holy way because of their commitment to obedience, poverty, and love. And thank you, parents. In this pandemic, you made your homes churches and religious houses, some sort of monastery or convent, because you tried to live this obedience, love, and poverty in an exemplified way. And thank you for teaching your children these true great values of obedience, poverty, and love. I stand just behind our church in front of the columbarium, the memory garden. Over 160 lovely people rests here in this columbarium. What have they taken with them when they left this world? What do we cherish about them? The memories. We know our memories are stored not just in our brain, but in each and every cells in our body. We know even diseases make memories in our cells. And so, thank you, parents. Thank you for using this time and teaching your children to create good memories, working with them, teaching them to cook, clean, and study, and doing the whole thing and creating good memories in them. I hear so many good stories of reaching out to neighbors, helping others, and developing attachments and bondings and reconciling. And that's a good thing happening at this time. And thank you for creating so many good memories for me. You created so many good memories for me coming to church for the daily mass and for the weekends. I know where you sit in the church, which pews, your favorite place. I look at those faces and pray for you. And thank you for creating such good memories in me. So let us use this opportunity to create good memories in each other, to be there for each other, the way Mary and Joseph did, the way they made good memories for Jesus, that he continued to create good memories for everyone else. Thank you. Thank you for the good memories.